Hi, my name is Yunju. I currently live in London and I'm the co-founder of Snowball Effect. We are here in Bulgaria to host the Replication Challenge, which is a program where aspiring changemakers are inspired by solutions and replicate them here in Bulgaria. The participants come from different places and locations in Bulgaria, and we are here at Villa Justina for a 3-day program. The first day started yesterday, where they all met as participants and we created teams so that the next days they would work on their project. They also attended the Solutions exhibition, where they discovered a lot of different solutions and social enterprises which they could replicate here. So far, the participants are super engaged, very hopeful and very inspired, I think, by the solutions. We have 5 teams who all replicated different solutions, hopefully to become very successful change makers here in Bulgaria. They're working in teams to do their market assessment and see which project could be replicated here and what would make sense. And tomorrow they're pitching in front of a judging panel, and we're very much looking forward to their pitches and prizes.
The project we are working on is inspired from a cafe already established in Austria. So we'll be looking forward to replicating it here in Bulgaria. The idea is to integrate and reintegrate 2 groups of people. One would be the elderly, pensioners here in Bulgaria, and the other group would be youngsters living care homes or institutional care. They will benefit from each other, as the elderly people will have social contacts. They'll be able to share their life experiences and wisdom with the young people, and the young people will learn job qualifications. They will have their first job that will help them set for life.
We are replicating the cup project, which is mainly about the problem of coffee waste, and environmentally it affects the CO2 emission and methane gases that go into atmosphere. We're trying to solve it and adapt it to the Bulgarian market. In the meantime, we're trying to produce and sell organic mushrooms by using the coffee waste and organic fertilizers to enhance the soil.
We are working on replicating La Manivelle. It's a Swiss-based NGO, actually, not a company, that creates a library of tools and different items that people donate, and then everyone from the community can use subscription-based. They can use it whenever they want. We're trying to replicate that by maybe changing the business model, but we are aiming at allowing people to come together as a community, help each other by renting out things which are not used frequently, which they buy and they never use again, or which they want to buy but use only once. So these 2 groups of people we are trying to combine into one place and give them the opportunity to help each other.
We are working on a project about raising the awareness of mental health in the schools in Bulgaria. The beneficiaries will be the students and the teachers and the parents of the students, targeting actually the teenagers from 12 to 18 years old, because it's an important age and it's the most important time for them to understand what a mental health issue is, and that it's totally normal to look for support, to look for help, and that they deserve to be happy.
We are working on a project to create a center for children from risk groups and underprivileged backgrounds who can benefit from going there and attending lectures and sessions that will motivate them to get involved in education, so that they become a functioning member of the Bulgarian society. So the biggest beneficiary will be the children from the risk groups, and indirectly also the Bulgarian market, and people will benefit from getting more functioning members, basically.
I think we're very lucky to have this amazing space and venue where all the participants stay together for 3 days in a row. It's very special and rare, I think, to have everyone at one place where they all go through the experience together. And we're 20 people all together, so it's a really nice group to connect on a deeper level as well.